In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change filters in Pipedrive. Whether you're a seasoned Pipedrive user or just starting, knowing how to efficiently manage your filters is a vital skill for optimizing your workflow. So let's dive right in and explore how you can change filters easily and effectively. First, you'll want to navigate to the Pipedrive website. Open your preferred web browser and type in the URL for Pipedrive's homepage, or find it quickly by searching for Pipedrive in your search engine. Once there, you'll find a login button that's usually located at the top right corner of the page. Click that button and it will direct you to the login screen. Enter your login credentials, the email and password associated with your Pipedrive account. If you've forgotten your password, don't worry. There should be a simple Forgot Password link you can click to recover it. After entering your details, click the Login button and you'll be taken to the Pipedrive home screen. Once you're logged in, you'll see the main dashboard. This is your central hub for navigating through all Pipedrive offerings. To access your filters, you need to click on the Deals tab. You can usually find this tab in the main navigation menu along the top. By clicking this tab, you'll find yourself on the page that lists all your deals. Now you're at the core of managing your deals. To change filters, look for a filter button. This is typically located near the top of the page. By clicking on this button, a variety of options will appear, allowing you to manage your filters. Whether you want to view only the open deals, those with a certain value, or perhaps those specific to a particular team member, filters are your go-to tool. You can choose from existing filters or create new ones to tailor the view to your needs. To create a new filter, locate the Add New Filter option and define your parameters. For instance, you might want to filter deals by their stage in the sales process or by specific due dates. Adjust these settings to suit the data you need to view. After you've configured the filter settings to your liking, don't forget to save the changes. There should be a Save or Apply button allowing you to commit these adjustments. Saving the filters ensures you can easily access them next time without having to reconfigure everything from scratch. So there you have it, a comprehensive walkthrough of changing filters in Pipedrive. This simple yet powerful feature can significantly enhance your productivity by allowing you to focus on what matters most in your sales pipeline. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below and stay tuned for more tips on navigating Pipedrive effectively. Thanks for watching, and happy filtering!